Welcome to FTTH APAC Conference 2019 from Wuhan, China. We have been joined today by Mr. Akter. He is the Chief Strategy Officer of Fiber at Home Bangladesh. How are you, Mr. Akter?
Fine, thank you very much for inviting us for this interview.
Yeah, so we will have some insights from you about the Bangladeshi FTTH market. So can you please share us some of your company's projects that are going on currently in Bangladesh?
Yeah, currently we are rolling out some FTTX mostly in dense urban area like Gulshan, Banani, Baridara, and also Hunmandi and also other residential area actually. In addition to the FTTX project, we recently rolled 400G lambda per lambda WDM network countrywide. We do the expansion plan for layer 3 IP network, as well as recently we have completed the government project called Info Sarkar 3 project, where 64 districts under Bangladesh and also 80 upazila being under WDM network, where at least upazila level we can have 10G network, as well as Union Parishad level we do have a 1G network there actually. So big development we have done for the government of Bangladesh last year, as well as we are building our network strongly.
Okay, nice. So if we go to the growth of Bangladesh regarding fiber industry, so how actually it is growing, you can see.
Fiber network is expanding very fast geographically. So we are up to the upazila and Union Parishad level, but the capacity growth is yet to come. Recently, telecom operator deploy 4G, but not all operators are not rolling out in countrywide. So we are expecting in coming days capacity growth will be very faster. But currently is not very much. But we prepare for tomorrow. I can tell you per lambda 400G we have deployed recently, so we can cater a lot of traffic in future.
Okay, so about the recent growth in our market panorama, we have seen that it has been 150% increase from last year to this year for the FTTH and /B subscriber and homes passed. So how you see in coming 5 years in terms of FTTH network will be taking place in Bangladesh?
My understanding is FTTH growth yet to come in Bangladesh. When the smart city, IoT, like other technology will be coming, I think it will be more faster. We are rolling out FTTX considering the future requirement, but for our cases, FTTX rollout we find it is not very business viable because the business is not coming from the FTTX only. But we hope it will add value in future, like when there is a huge amount of small cell will be rolling out in 4G and 5G network, as well as other smart city activities coming. So growth is coming obviously, but when it is coming, there's the challenging thing. When it is adapted in our market, that will be the challenging thing actually.
Okay, so regarding the challenges, let's talk about some challenges you face in Bangladesh deploying fiber. So can you share some
the challenge is mainly the government infrastructure project. Countrywide, there is a huge development activity initiated by current government. So due to this expansion activity, our fiber are impacted. So this is one of the challenging part. At the same time, we are investing considering the future and current requirement. But if the regulation and other enforcement is not there, then it will be very difficult to business viable this kind of investment. So we always need operational and investment support from the other agencies in Bangladesh actually. So we hope we will get it, and we can be successful in future.
Okay, so regarding maybe the rural areas, recently we have seen that government has a plan to expand to rural areas with fiber. So what is your future plan regarding this and other segments of the country?
Yeah, since we have gone up to the union position level, we are working with the government for a trial project. We will be connecting every school, college, even marketplace and hangout places with fiber network. In some cases, hangout places will be the Wi-Fi network.
Wi-Fi.
So if those can be connected with the next project, I hope and I believe actually this there will be revolution of bandwidth in the transport fiber-based transport network. And also it will create a lot of local business and growth in our last leg of the country actually. So it is and government I believe it is on the right direction. They are planning to connect those unconnected people with the fiber, not with other technology actually. So that's the good point actually.
Okay, so lots of information you shared and it was really interesting. So thanks a lot for joining us here in Wuhan. So hopefully you will be supporting us in the coming days as well.
Yeah, thank you very much, Fiber Tech Council, and also I enjoy time to talk to you, and also Wuhan is a very nice place to visit. Thank you very much.